It is a beautiful, healthy recipe, and it is a green juice. This is the mint, straight inside of the blender. This is some fresh parsley. We're going to put the parsley inside of the blender also. And this is the celery. I'm using 3 sticks of the celery inside of it. Now, this is some fresh ginger inside of it. Ginger is a must. So this is 1 medium-sized lime. We'll put inside of it. This is a cucumber. We'll put it inside of it, all right? And this is the green apple. We'll put it inside of it. So you have to use green apple. The green apple, we're going to put roughly about 8 cups of water inside of it. This is it, and we're going to blend it up. You can get yourself a copy of my book right now on Amazon, 50% off. Simply pour it out through the strainer. This is the green juice right here. We just blend it up with mint, cucumber, green apple, lime, ginger, celery. All right. Now, I have a little bit of surprise, but you can also put some of this inside of it. This is some chia seeds, if you like to, inside of it, because this is really good and this is really filling. So I was trying to sort this in the meantime. All right. Yeah, you can also put some of that inside of it. Chia seeds, you can get this to buy in your supermarket and your local shop, and you can also add some if you like to, but it's a superfood and it's very good for the immune system and for the gut and filling also. So the ingredients is basic. If you want to add a little bit of a honey, you can add some honey, but a honey hardening in it, it's pretty good as it is. Please enjoy the recipe, leave your comments in the description, and I have a lot more recipes for you to make at home. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. The ingredients will be in the community on my YouTube channel. All right. Please watch the next video, which is right there. All right. You don't want to miss that video. That video is amazing. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Big up on yourself, people. You don't know the thing go.